Okay, student. Now yes, we have to find out the 20th term. Okay, so 20th term means T20. Okay, so here you have to understand how it is written in the symbol and how to write in the word. 20th term is equals to T20. Okay, understood? Now here we have to find use the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket close into D. So now yes, this is the formula and substitute the value because we will not find out serially. इसको serially नहीं find out करेंगे कि क्या T8 क्या T9 क्या T10 है क्या है. Yes, we will use the formula. Okay, so now see the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket close into D. Now substitute the value here at place of the n the 20 will come because we want to find out the number at the 20th position. Okay, term what indicate it indicate the position number. So yes, at 20th position which number will come, that we have to find out here. So now you see T20 is equals to now A. What is A here? T1 is A. So now yes, T1 is A. So A is equals to minus 12 plus N. N is here 20. Now see this N and this N are the same. So now N is 20. So here 20 minus 1 and this into D and D is 7. Okay. So minus 12. Now solve the bracket plus 19, 20 minus 1 is equals to 19, 19 into 7. Okay, now yes, 12 plus, yes, read the table of 19 to 7 times. 7 टाइम क्या करना है? रीड करना है. तो yes, 19 7 जा 133. Now here this is plus 133 and this is minus 12. So here plus minus minus. So here we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, and 1. Now greater number is yes 133 and before that there is a positive sign. That's why this will be positive. Okay, so understood. So now here the 20th term is 121. मीन्स अगर ये लिस्ट को हम क्या करते कंटिन्यू करते और इसको हम लोग क्या करते लिखते जाते तो 20th पोजीशन पे जो पोजीशन नंबर 20th है 20वें पोजीशन पे 121 नंबर आएगा. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कंप्लीटेड. So now we have to write down the answer. The 20th term. First one, the given sequence. The given sequence is NAP and 20th term is 121. Okay, it's clear now. कि क्या है ये गिवन सीक्वेंस एक एपी है और 20th टर्म क्या है 121 है. ये हम लोगों ने मेंशन कर दिया. ओके, नाउ यस वी हैव टू सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Sorry, question number 3. Now see the question number 3. Given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, so given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24. Find the 24th term of the progression. So here we have to find out the 24th term of the progression. So here it is directly given the yes list of number is an AP. कि यहाँ पे list of number जो है AP है. So here we can find out the yes A and D and then we have to substitute the value of A and D in the yes formula to find out the 24th term. Okay, 24th term find out करने के लिए use करना है. Okay student, so here now ये see the solution of it. इसका solution देखेंगे अभी हम लोग. The question is 12 comma 16 comma 20 comma 24. Okay, and so on. Now its solution. So here, and what is given over here is APA. क्या है APA? So first here T1. T1 is equals to A and A is equals to 12. T2 is equals to 16 and T3 is equals to 20. T4 is equals to 24. Okay, it's clear now. Now we have to find out the D because it is already given. The list is an AP. So now D is equals to T2 minus T1. Now yes, what is the T2 here? 16. 16 minus T1, 12 is equals to 16 minus 12 is equals to 4. So here D value is 4 and A value is 12. And what we have to find out? T24. Okay. T n is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket close D. Therefore, T24 means here 24 term we have to find out. T24 is equals to A. A is 12 plus now yes n will be 24 minus 1 into D and D value is 4. Okay, now yes, this is okay formula. ये क्या है formula है and this is nothing but the substituting the values. Substituting the values. Okay, therefore T24 is equals to 12 plus now 24 minus 21 is 23. 23 into 4, so 12 plus 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 or 1 9. Now add these two yes numbers 2 to 4 and 9 or 1 10. So therefore T24 is equals to 104. 104. Okay, so here the 24th sum of this AP is 24 means अगर हम लोग क्या करते हैं इसको क्या करते हैं आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Here there is a difference of the 4. Yes, the next number will be 28, 32, 36. Yes, उसके बाद 40, 44, 48, 52. तो in this way अगर हम लोग क्या करते हैं इस लिस्ट के 24th पोजीशन तक नंबर फाइंड आउट करते तो क्या मिलेगा 24th पोजीशन पे 104 हम लोगों को आंसर में मिलेगा. ओके, तो अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ द T24 मीन्स फॉर दिस एपी इस लिस्ट के लिए जो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है 24वें पोजीशन पे 104 विल कम. ये नंबर हम लोगों को मिलेगा. ओके, तो ये क्या बताता हम लोगों को टर्म नंबर क्या ये डिनोट करता है यस द पोजीशन नंबर ऑफ दैट नंबर कि वो पोजीशन नंबर क्या है कि वो पोजीशन पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा ये हम लोगों को क्या करता है ये शो करता है. नाउ यस राइट डाउन द आंसर. द 24th term is 104. Okay, it's clear now. So now we have completed question number 3. Let's see the question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखेंगे अब हम लोग. नाउ सी ऑब्जर्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्या देखो, फाइंड द 19th टर्म ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एपी. तो हियर क्या करना है हम लोगों को 19th टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है. मतलब कि 19th पोजीशन पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा वो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. Okay, student. Yes, first term of this AP is 7, second term is 13, next term is 19, and next one is 25. Okay, so next now see the solution of it. 7, 13, 19, comma 25, and so on. Okay, and what we have to find out here? Solution. So first we have to write down the given sequence or AP 7, 13, 19, 25. Okay, this is the given AP. So here what we have to find out? T19. Okay, T19 is question mark. Now use the formula. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So therefore now at place of the n we have to write down the 19 because we have to find out the 19th term of this AP. At place of the a, what is a here? A is equals to T1 and this is equals to 7, and d is equals to T2 minus T1, this is equals to 13, 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. So here a is equals to 7, 7 plus, now n is 19, 19 minus 1 into d, and d is 6. So this is equals to 7 plus, now 19 minus 1 is 18, 18 into 6, 7 plus 18, 6, 108. Okay, now add. So this will be 150. Okay, now write down the answer. The 19th term is 115. It's clear now? Clear हो गया? PS क्या है? How to find out the any terms in the given AP? Okay, now see the next question. Next question is find the 27th term of following AP. Okay, तो क्या करना है ये? 27th term is AP का find out करना है. तो first term is 9, second term is 4, third term is minus 1, next one minus 6, and next one is minus 11. So in this way, which number will come at the 27th position? Means T27. तो T27 पोजीशन पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा वो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पे. तो नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, फिफ्थ वन. नाउ फर्स्ट 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, and so on. Okay, so in solution, first write down the given AP as it is and write down the given AP. Okay, here A is nothing but the T1, or T1 is equals to A is equals to 9. Now find out the D. D is T2 minus T1. T2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 5. So here difference is negative and it is minus 5. Now use the formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here now we want to find out the 27th term. Okay, कौन सा find out करना है? 27. So now T 27th is equals to A plus, now at place of the n we will write the 27 minus 1 into D. D is equals to minus 5. So this is equals to 9 plus 27 minus 1 is 26, 26 into minus 5. Okay, so 9, and here plus minus minus, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 3 13. Okay, now yes, plus minus minus, 130 minus 9, so 10 minus 9 is equals to 1, here 2, 121, and greater number is 113. Before that there is negative sign, that's why here we have to write down the minus sign. Okay, so now t27th term is -121 मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या होगा 27th पोजिशन पे क्या आएगा -121 आएगा आंसर। इट्स क्लियर नाउ, समझ में आ गया स्टूडेंट? तो ये राइट ऑन द आंसर इन वर्ड्स। The 27th term is -121. Okay student, if you have any doubt you can ask to me. Unmute yourself and ask the doubts if you have anyone doubt. Yes student, is anybody having any doubts? Okay, you have to solve the other example at home. किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है क्या स्टूडेंट? डाउट्स है देन आस्क टू मी। अगर कुछ डाउट्स है तो पूछो, देन आई विल एंड द मीटिंग। Yes student, no one having any doubts? Okay, yes, now I'm ending the meeting.